Welcome to this unboxing. That's my first delivery from Westside. Let's open it. That's the new shampoo. Special edition hockey. You have another shampoo in tournament plastic. Pink and blue. Oh, Destiny in tournament plastic. Sword. A stag. The seer. Another sword. Another sword. Yeah, the pine in tournament plastic. Another Hangville. I really love this disc. Yeah, Fortress tournament plastic. Yeah, this disc is insane. Tournament Orbit Bear. Nice. A Maiden. Harp. White and gold. Very nice finish. And, oh. You have here the Shield in tournament. Open that. Oh yeah. Brand new towel of the king. Oh, okay. With the bear. Let's go Westside. Yeah.